What stops you from listening? Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. Listening is a key skill of a leader. If you don't listen, you don't know how to meet your people where they are. You also don't know how to coach the gap. What stops you from listening? Are you always thinking about what's next? Are you more concerned about what happened previously than you are about being in the present? At least a part of what keeps anybody from listening is being present in the moment. How do you do that? Do you care about your people? Sometimes leaders simply don't care about people, so they don't listen. They don't retain facts and things that make the job more personal, if you will. Do you know what your people do for a hobby? Do you know their kids? Now, you may run a plant that has thousands of people. You can't know them all, but you'd better know stuff about your key leaders. Are you listening? And what stops you from listening? Level up your leadership with this question for today.